this guy. Just hit me, man.
Dates, and you go on a date with someone and you can't think to yourself, is this person actually going to be worth my time? How do I know they're not going to ghost me? How do I know they're not going to flake me in the future? It's like some stress that you get, that become addicted to.
What the
was headed to Home Depot when the driver of a Jeep SUV made a right on red and went all the way into Dan's lane. Right in the path of Jonathan's flatbed work truck. Courtney was on her way to work in heavy traffic when another driver pulled in front of her and she had to go off the road to avoid a collision. Brendan was driving to class when he suddenly noticed the car next to him invading his lane. Brendan was taking his mom to the store when a Volvo driver suddenly drove through a stop sign to leave a parking lot. This emitter watched the driver of a pickup truck run a traffic light quite a while after it had turned red, tires squealing as it turned through the intersection.
Crunch. I gotta go. For oh my god, are you okay? Oh shit! Oh shit!
Buddy. Yeah. Seriously?
Holy
Oh!
wow. God damn it. They just look like yours. I remember you were like, oh my god. Oh my god.
And it ends up there. All
Just cross. What are you doing? You can't do that. You're blocking the road, man. That's not very good of you.
Didn't flinch away. I'm only a little bit psychic, she said, a gleam in her rheumy eyes. Just tell me where we...
Top 3 dummies of the day. Top 3 dummies of the day.
But known universally as melanin. It is one of the oldest molecules in biology and is found throughout the world.
Go, dude.
It doesn't just color skin. It gives birds the color of their feathers.
I have the right of way. F you.
What the? Well, that was interesting.